So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to deposit Pi to exchanger. First of all, after you open up your phone like this, now go and open the exchanger. So the steps are all the same for all the exchangers, but in this, for the purpose of this video, I will use get.io. So go and open your get.io or any exchanger that is available to deposit Pi. So now I'm opening my get.io. I'll allow it to finish loading. So after you open your exchanger like this, now all you have to do now, you can tap on this as can see now deposit. Tap on deposit. So tap on this on chain deposit, this one. So in this section now, go and search for Pi. So go and search for Pi like this now. As you can see now, here is it now. Go and tap on the search button. So as you can see now, here is Pi network. So tap on it. So after you tap on the Pi network, as you can see now, here is now the address. So allow it now to finish loading. It will load for like 50 seconds, then it will give you the address. So now tap on this copy address. After you copy the address to explain, now go back and open up now your Pi browser. So as you can see now, go and open this Pi browser. So now as you can see now, here is it. Go and open the Pi browser now after you copy the address. So as you can see now, after you open up the Pi browser like this, now tap on this section. As you can see now, here is it now. Tap on this deposit wallet. After you tap on this wallet, it will ask you to enter your 24 WordPress. As you can see now here, or if you can't find the WordPress, then just tap on this. As you can see now, scroll to down. Now tap on this unlock with fingerprint. So I'll use my phone to unlock I'll use just my fingerprint to unlock the wallet. So now it is loading my wallet. So as you can see now here is my balance. As you can see now, in this wallet I have available 15.72 Pi. So now I'll just go ahead and withdraw some of my Pi into my exchanger. So to deposit the Pi into exchanger, now tap on this pay and request, this one. So in this section now, tap on this manual. After you tap on this manual, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this type in a wallet address. So now long press your hand after you copy the wallet. So tap on this paste. Now I paste in my wallet. Here is my wallet address. So now as you can see now, here it says memo is optional. So you can tap on this just send button, this one. Before you tap on the send, as you can see now, you must just come to this side and type in the amount of Pi you want to send. So for me, I will just send 2 Pi into this browser, into my exchanger. I'll just send only 2. So tap on this send. As you can see now, here it says do not recognize your Pi there. This is just a reminder. You confirm you are about to send 2 Pi. Just confirm that the address that you input is correct. So after you confirm that, just tap on this confirm button. So now allow it to finish loading. So after it finishes loading, as you can see now, here it says transfer succeed. Please refer to enter. So now I transfer 2 Pi into my get.io account. So now if I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now it will just load my wallet. So as you can see now I have sum of 13.71 Pi. So they charge 0.1 as charges for the Pi. So here is the transaction. As you can see now, here is now I send 2 Pi into my get.io. As you can see now, here is the P 0.1 Pi. So now all you have to do now, close your Pi and go back to the exchanger. I'll go back to the exchanger. So after I open up the exchanger, as you can see, here is the exchanger. Now I'll tap on this back arrow. So now I'll just load the exchanger and see what will happen. Just allow it to finish loading. So after you open the exchanger like this now tap on this, as you can see now, asset. So by tapping on this asset, as you can see now, in this session now, now if my Pi has been dropped into my wallet, so I'll be able now to see the Pi in this section, as you can see now, in this asset section. As you can see now, if you come to this spot, so you'll be able now in this section to see the amount of your Pi that you have. If you can't find it in this section, in all these sections, all you have to do now, just tap on the search and search for Pi again. So all you have to do now, go to the spot. After you come to this spot now, as you can see now, so go and search for Pi. Here is it now. Tap on this, as you can see now. Tap on this search. So after you tap on this search, as you can see now, go and search for Pi like this. Here is it now, Pi. So because now my pi has not been dropped into my exchanger, that's why I can't see it. So if my pi has dropped into my exchanger, I'll be able to see the amount of pi that I have in this session now. That's it, guys, on how to deposit pi into exchanger. Any exchanger, the steps are all the same. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.